Hey YouTube family, Paul here. Just wanted to show you the two W210s. This is a Florida car, spotless underneath. I just put a new fuel pump in. I was getting excessive cranking and a low fuel pressure. After I shut the key off, it would drop down to 10 and then right to 0. So I believe the check valve and the fuel pump was gone. I also changed the injectors out in this. When I got this car, I did a full transmission flush, oil, fuel filter, diff fluid. What else did I do? Now I got to do the power steering and the brakes on that one. On this one, I've done, did I do the fuel filter on this? I believe I did a fuel filter. I did the oil, transmission flush. I threw a new transmission control computer in this. This is a E430. The black one's a E320. Both of them, I did the throttle body intake seal on them. I did the valve cover gaskets and sealed the rebreathers on this and put a rebreather vacuum hose set on that. I still got to throw a cane and air filter in it, but I'm not going to do that. And I still have a transmission code. I believe the conductor plate may be shot on it. I threw a gear selector in this as well. The woman that had it freaked out and broke the gear selector when the transmission control module went. But somebody fucked the wheels up painting them. I may get them redone. But I'm not going to do anything until I can get this transmission issue sorted out with this. If I do, and the car is worth putting the energy into, I'm going to redo the fenders. That's the only place that's really got corrosion on the body, are the two front fenders, or wings for those of you over in the UK. That's got about 126,000 on it, I think. This one's got like 93,000 on it, the E320. This is the one I baby. This one doesn't see the roads in winter time, and I don't really even like to take it out in the rain. Leather's in good shape. I refinished the seats on that. On this one, somebody cut the driver's seat. It looks like somebody did a number on it with a box cutter. Like I said, if the car winds up being worth it and I can get that transmission issue sorted out, I may redo that seat too when I do the fenders. That'll be a project. I'll be honest with you, I love the V8, and I like the way it handles with the 17-inch rims and the lower profile tires. Nice solid car. It feels nice and heavy. Not to say I don't love the way the E320 handles too, but V8's always more fun than a V6. Well, I just wanted to show you guys those two. I got to throw motor mounts on this too, on the black one. I want to throw motor mounts in it. I may put that off till the spring. I got to get the truck ready for the winter. I got to do stuff on that. I might do the conductor plate on the silver one before the winter comes too. I want to get it on the road. I'm not going to register it with that transmission issue because I may not be able to get it sorted out. I don't want to spend money registering a car that can't be on the road, serving its purpose, putting miles. And then we got the good old loyal Impala over there. That's the daily driver. That thing does about 100 miles a day. Well guys, those are the wheels that I play with all the time over here. Just wanted to show you what I'm working with, that I make my videos with. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This was a bunch of useless information about nothing. Just showing you my stable of the used cars that I try to get as cheap as possible. Okay guys, take care. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Help our channel grow. Bye.